Yes, hello, good evening, Mr. Fadli.
Good evening, Mr. Bukhari.
Yes,
Sorry, I cannot hear your voice before.
yes, yeah, no problem. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Actually, yeah, I got late to open the Zoom. Yeah, okay, because the actually has the connections troubles.
No problem, Mr.
Yes. Okay, so we are waiting Mr. Ikhwan as well. Mr. Ikhwan also has the trouble with the connections. Okay, so while we are waiting Mr. Ikhwan, we can
No, I
discuss.
think
Yes,
he's forgot to connect the audio.
yes, he is still setting up the audio. Yes. Okay, Mr. Fadli, actually, for this discuss about this.
Hello.
Yes, hello, good evening, Mr. Ikhwan. How are you?
Good. I'm fine, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Actually,
What's
I'm
the
so
topic of
sorry.
the night,
I
sir?
got late to open the Zoom. Yeah, because has the connections trouble.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, for this evening we will discuss about this, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, because this is Friday night and you are also Muslim. Yeah, so we will discuss about this. This is also important to discuss. Yeah, so you
What's
will get
that?
some yes vocabularies actually the scientific vocabularies. Yeah, this is about barrier between sweet and salty waters. And this is the miracles of the Quran as well. Yes, miracle of the Qurans. Okay, so oh, I'm sorry, I got this. Okay, so I must. Yeah, this is okay. So yeah, we will discuss about this actually. Okay, this is the barrier between sweet and salty waters, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, actually, have you ever heard about this, Mr. Ikhwan, about the barrier between sweet and salty waters?
Barrel.
Yes.
Barrel sweet. Yes, yes, yes. I have.
Okay. Yeah, later on you can see on this video, on this YouTube video, yeah, after this learning. Yeah, but for this evening, yeah, we will discuss about that. Okay. So yeah, this is mentioned in the Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman. This is considered the following Quran verse. This, yeah, Surah Ar-Rahman. Yeah, this is verse 19. Mr. Ikhwan, can you read Al Quran, Mr. Ikhwan?
Yes, I can, sir. I can.
Okay, can you please read the verse of 19, Mr. Ikhwan?
Uh, okay. Auzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marajal bahraini yaltaqiyan.
Yes,
Bainahuma barzahun la yabghiyan.
yes. Okay, thank you. Yes, thank you, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, this is Marojal Bakhroini Yaltakian dan Bainahuma Barzakhul La Yabghiyan. Yeah, this is in the Surat Ar-Rahman verse 19 until 20. Yeah, so this is
Yes.
the translations. Yeah. He has let free the two bodies of flowing water meeting together. Between them is a barrier, yeah, which they do not transgresses. Yeah, transgresses meaning is pass, yeah, passing like that. So between two bodies of water, yeah, salt and sorry, between salt and um, sorry, the fresh water, yeah, fresh and salt water, they cannot mix like that. Yeah, that's the meaning of this
Transgress.
verse. Okay.
Transgress.
This is Al-Quran chapter 55, yeah, verse 19 and 20. Okay,
55.
Mr. Fadli, can you please read this paragraph, Mr. Fadli, in the
Sure,
Arabic text?
Mister.
Yes, in the Arabic text. This is.
So in the Arabic text, the word barzakh mean a barrier of the partition. The barrier is not a physical partition. The Arabic word maraja literally means they both mix with each others. Early commentators of the Quran were unable to explain the two opposite meaning for the two bodies of water. So they meet and mix, and at the same time there is a barrier between them.
Yes. Okay, I will explain about this, yeah, because this is the knowledge, yeah, this is scientific. Yeah. So sometimes, yeah, we, yeah, must have explanations like that. Okay. So in the Arabic text, yeah, this is in the Arabic text, the word barzah, yeah, barzahu la yabghiyan. Yeah, this is barzah. Yeah, that's mean a barrier or partitions. Yeah, barzah, the meaning is partisi, yeah, or barrier like that. Yeah, if you go to the mosque or yes to the mosque for praying, sometimes someone asks you, where is the partisi? Yeah, where is the partition? Yeah, between the man and the actually the ladies and the gentlemen like that. Yeah, the partition. Yeah, partisi is a barrier. Okay. This barrier is not a physical partition. Yeah, this is not physic. The Arabic words maroja, yeah, literally means, yeah, literally the meaning is that's meaning like that, or actually, yeah, literally the meaning is actually means they both meet and mix with each other. Yeah, they both, yeah, between the fresh water and salt water, and they meet, yeah, and mix with each other. Yeah, this is the first commentator. Yeah, early commentator of the Quran were unable to explain the two opposite meanings for the two bodies of water. Yeah, that's they explain this. Yeah, they meet and mix, and at the same time there is a barrier between them. Yeah, so the early commentators of the Quran, they were unable to explain. Yeah, they thought that that's the bodies of water meet and mix. Yeah, but actually they are not mixed. Yeah, actually they separate, yeah, by the barrier. Okay. So we continue. Yeah, this is the early commentators. Yeah, they unable to explain. Yeah, they still didn't understand about this. Okay, so continue. Are you there? Are you Attila?
Hello, Mister.
Okay. Can you please read this paragraph, Ayu Ardila? This is about the scientifics. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, this is.
Modern science has discovered that the place the where two different cells meet, there is a barrier between them. This is barrier divided to two cells so that each has its own temperature, salinity, and density. I don't
Yeah.
understand what is salinity and density.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. That's enough.
Yeah.
Okay. So Mr. Ikhwan and Mr. Fadli, this is modern science, yeah, has discovered, yeah, that in the places where two different seas meet, yeah, for example, the fresh water and salt water meet, yeah, there is a barrier between them. Yeah. This barrier divides the two seas so that each sea has its own temperature, salinity, and density. Ya, salinity is kadar garam. Ya, salinity is kadar garam, and density. Density is kepadatan. Ya, is tight like that. Density is the tightness. Okay. So actually, do you understand, Mr. Ikhwan, about this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan? Do you understand?
Yes. Yeah, the paragraph explain bahwa that the difference of uh, two seas, two
Yes.
seas,
Yeah. Yes.
salting and what's the one? Have different character.
Yes. Excellent. Yeah.
Yes.
The two C's
About
they have.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, different characters about temperature, salinity, and density.
Yes. And density. Okay.
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. That was good. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah. So you understood already. Yeah. I think Mr. Fadli also understood for this. Okay. So we continue. Yeah, this is the oceanologist. Yeah, the oceanologist is the scientist, yeah, who research for the sea, like that. Yeah. Oceanologists are now in a better position to explain this verse. There is a slanted unseen water. Yeah, slanted, the meaning is like this, slanting. In Indonesian, what's the meaning, Mr. Fadli? Like this, slanting, like this. Yeah, slanted. Sorry,
Lin.
mirroring. Yes, mirroring. Yeah, mirroring. Yeah,
Yeah,
excellent.
Lin.
Yeah, there is slanted unseen water barrier, yeah, between the two seas. Yeah, through which water from one sea passes to the other. Okay, so this is the oceanologist. Yeah, are now in a better position to explain this verse. Yeah. So there is a slanted unseen water. So the water unseen, yeah, barrier, yeah, between the two seas. Trux, yeah, trux is a cross like that. Yeah, which water from one sea passes to the other. Okay. But when the water from one sea enter to the other sea, yeah, but when the water from one sea enter to the other sea, it loses its distinctive characteristic. Yeah, distinctive is original. Yeah, original characteristic. Yeah, for example, um, when you um, when you have a glass of water, yeah, a glass of fresh water, Mr. Fadli and Mr. Iwan, and Ikhwan, then you mix with the salt water. Yeah, for example, you have half glass of fresh water, then you mix with the 1 spoon of salt water. Yeah, so that salt water automatically become the fresh water. Yeah, because yeah, not all, because they're just little bits. Yeah, they just mix a little bit. Yeah. So the salt water, yeah, 1 spoon of salt water automatically become fresh water. Yeah, like that. And this is, yeah, it lost its distinctive characteristic and becomes homogeneous. Yeah, homogen is the same and become same, yeah, with the other water. In a way, this barrier serve as a transitional, yeah, transitional homogenizing area for the two waters. Yeah, transitional is a separator, yeah, separator, ya, pemisah, ya, homogenizing, ya, kesamaan, ya, pemisah kesamaan area for the two waters, ya, untuk two waters, ya, for the two waters. Okay, so actually Mr. Fadli, do you understand, Mr. Fadli, about this paragraph, Mr. Fadli?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
You
like
know, I'm
that.
from chemistry, so I understood
Yeah.
enough lah for this
Yes, you are from
topic.
chemistry. Okay, so you understood. Okay. Yeah, so this barrier, yeah, the functions of this barrier is the transitional, yeah, so the separator, yeah, homogenizing area for the two waters. Yeah. between salt and fresh water, like that. Okay, so we continue. Okay, this is actually good, yeah. So you will get some scientific knowledge, yeah, from this. Okay, this scientific phenomenon, yeah, phenomenon is the natural happens, like that, kejadian alam, ya, phenomenon. Ya, in English P and H we can read F, ya, phenomenon. Ya. This scientific phenomenon mentioned in the Quran was also confirmed by Dr. William Hay, who is as well-known marine scientist and professor of geological sciences at the University of Colorado, USA. The Quran mentioned this phenomenon also in the following verse. Okay, okay. So, Mr. Fadli, can you please read this verse, Mr. Fadli?
I think Ikhwan better than me, so
Oh,
maybe
okay,
he
Mr.
can
Ikhwan.
for
Okay,
us.
yes, because Mr. Ikhwan is the senior. Okay, Mr. Ikhwan, can you please read this verse, Mr. Ikhwan?
Okay, auzubillahi minasyaitonir rajim.
Yes.
Bismillah. Amman ja'ala al-arda qararan wa ja'ala khilalaha anhara wa ja'alaha rawasya wa ja'ala bainal bahrain khaziran ilaihi ma'allahu bal aksarahum la ya'lamun.
Yes, excellent. Okay, excellent. Yeah, so thank you, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, so that's the Quran. Yes, aman ja'alal ardo kororo wa ja'ala khilalaha anharo wa ja'ala laha rawasiya wa ja'ala bainal bahraini. Ya, bahraini is the sea. And the two sea, bahraini. Hajizan. Ya, a'ilahum ma'allah bal aktsaruhum la ya'lamun.
Ajizan.
Okay, so this is the translations, yeah, of this ayah. Yeah. Or ask them who made the earth a place of settlement. Ya, settlement is consist, ya, tetap. Ya, caused rivers to flow through it. Ya, and actually Allah also made the rivers, ya, flow. Ya, ya, flow in the earth, like that. That's the meaning. Placed firm mountains upon it. Yeah, and also Allah made the firm mountains, yeah, the strong mountains, yeah, in the earth, and set a barrier between fresh and salt bodies of water. Yeah, and also made the barrier, yeah, between fresh and salt water. Okay, was it another God beside Allah? Yeah. That's the meaning is there has another God, yeah, except Allah, like that. That's the meaning. Absolutely not. Yeah. But most of them do not know. Yeah, and then the meaning is human. Yeah, but most of the human do not know. And this is Al Quran Surah An-Naml chapter 27 verse 61. Okay, so continue, yeah, to this. Actually, I will say greetings to one participants. Yeah, sorry, one participants. Yeah, hello Selfie, how are you? Hello, we have Selfie from Cilacap. Hello Selfie, how are you? You can open your speaker, please. Yeah,
Hello?
actually, yes. Hello Selfie.
Yeah.
Yeah, good
Hello.
evening.
Good evening.
Yes, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good.
Yes, welcome to the class, Selfie. Yeah,
Yes.
for this evening, actually, we discuss about this. Yeah, about the miracles of the Quran. Yeah, this is special for this evening, actually, Selfie.
Yes.
Okay, so are you in Java or in Borneo, Selfie?
I'm in Borneo now.
Oh, you are in Borneo. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so nice to see you in the class, Selfie. Yeah, let's
Yeah.
wait the class. Okay,
Yeah.
so we continue little bit about this. Okay, so okay, actually, Mr. Ikhwan,
Yes,
hello, Mr.
sir.
Ikhwan, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you please read this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan? This is
Okay. Okay,
yes,
sir. This phenomenon occurs in several places, including the divider between the Mediterranean and the Atlantic Ocean at Gibraltar.
yes,
But when the Quran speaks about the divider between fresh and salt water, it mentions that existence of a forbidding partition with the barrier.
yes, excellent. Okay, so I will little bit explain to you. Yes, this phenomenon occur. Yeah, occur. The meaning is happen. Yeah, happening. Yeah, in several places. Yeah, in the some places, including the divider. Yeah, and the divider is the separator, Mr. Ikhwan, between the Mediterranean and the Atlantic Ocean at Gibraltar. Yeah, Gibraltar is the strait, selat. Yeah, is the strait Gibraltar. Yeah, selat Gibraltar. That this strait, selat, yeah, Gibraltar. This is between the two continents, yeah, between Africa and the European continent. Yeah, and that has straits. Yeah, the name is Gibraltar. Yeah, Gibraltar Strait. Yeah, Selat Gibraltar. Okay, so but when the Quran speaks about the divider between fresh and salt water, it mentioned the existence of a forbidding partitions. Okay, I will ask to Mr. Fadli. What is the meaning of existence, Mr. Fadli? What is the meaning of this? Existence actually.
Existence is keberadaan.
Keberadaan, ya, adanya. Ya, existen adanya atau or keberadaan. Ya, for example, you ask to someone, Mr. Fadli, where is Andy? Is he still exist? Yes, he still exists. Yeah, exist is berada, yeah, still life like that. Okay, existence. Okay, that's excellent. It mentioned the existence of forbidding partitions. Ya. Partisi terlarang, pembatas terlarang. With the barrier, ya, dengan pembatas. Okay, so I will ask to Mr. Ikhwan. Uh,
Yeah.
Mr. Ikhwan, can you please explain about this paragraph actually?
This paragraph explain that the
Yes.
phenomenon occurs in several places. Yeah, not only in the one place.
Yes.
Yeah, it is there is the phenomenon apa occurs in Mediterranean between Mediterranean and Atlantic Ocean.
Yes.
That there is there is a foreign partition too. There is a yeah the barrier. There is the barrier too on the divide and between Mediterranean and Atlantic Ocean.
Yes. Okay, excellent. Thank you, Mr. Ikhwan. Selfie, actually, do you understand about Mr. Ikhwan explain? Do you understand, Selfie? Probably has. Yes. Hello, Selfie.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, do you understand about Mr. Ikhwan explain?
Mm,
Yeah.
I don't know, a little bit maybe.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. So later on, you will understand. Yeah, because this is the first
Yes.
meeting. Yeah, the first meeting of
Yes.
you.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was good. So I think Mr. Fadli understood already about this paragraph. Okay, so I will continue. And also
What's the meaning forbidding, sir?
yes,
Forbidding partition.
forbidding
meaning
is
for-
terlarang, terlarang.
Oh yeah.
Partition is a pembatas, ya, pembatas terlarang. Yeah, so
Oh,
between the two seas, yeah, they cannot mix like that because has the
Okay.
forbidding partitions. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
yeah,
The
you
same
can
with
see on the YouTube. Yeah, after this learning, yeah, yeah, you can get many informations, yeah, about this. Yeah, this is incredible. Actually, this is already mentioned in the Al Quran. Yeah, in the several verses of the Al Quran. Okay, so
Okay.
I will read this, and this is compared with the reality like that. Okay, so this is wa huwallazi marojal bahroini hada adbun furatu wa hada milhun ujad wa ja'ala bainahuma barzakhon wa hijran mahjuro. Okay, and the translations. I need Ayu Ardila to read the translation. Ayu Ardila.
Yes.
Yes, please read the translation, Ayu Ardila. And
And
it
if
is,
he would had let free the two seas, on delicious and sweet, and the water sally and the breeder. Between the two he has made a barrier and inviolable obstruction from them not make Al-Quran Surah Al-Furqan chapter 25 verse 53.
53. 50, 53.
53.
Yes.
I don't
Okay.
understand about inviolable.
Okay, I will explain. Okay. I will ask to Mr. Ikhwan, what is the meaning of
Yeah.
bitter, Mr. Ikhwan? Bitter.
And the other salty and bitter.
Bitter is
Salt, salty,
pahit.
salty is
Yeah,
yeah,
bitter is
pahit. Yeah.
pahit. Yeah, salty is
Asin,
yeah, asin.
asin dan pahit,
Yes,
asin
excellent.
dan pahit ya. Bitter,
Okay.
bitter. Ya.
Okay, so I will explain. Yeah. And it is, yeah, he is the meaning of Allah, yeah, who has
Yeah.
let free the two seas. Yeah, that's Allah made the two seas like that. One
Yeah.
delicious and sweet. Yeah, this is the sweet water. And the
Yeah.
other salty and bitter. Yeah, this is the salt
Yeah.
water. Between the two, he has made a barrier and inviolable obstructions. Yeah, obstruct yeah, is sorry halangan. Yeah, obstructions, yeah, halangan.
Iya, okay.
Yeah,
Halangan ya, oke.
inviolable. Yeah, violable is terlarang. Yeah, inviolable,
Inviolable.
terlarang. Same with the
Inviolable.
forbidding.
Same with
Inviolable, same with
forbidding.
the forbidding. Yes. Yeah. So for them not to mix, yeah, so they cannot mix like that. Yeah, actually this
Oke.
Al Quran is actually this verse, yeah, these verses, yeah, these verses are compared like that between the first verse, then second verse, then the third. Yeah, this is compared. Okay, so this is the miracles of the Quran actually. Okay, yeah, I need Selfie to read this paragraph, the last paragraph, Selfie. Selfie, please read the
Yeah,
last paragraph.
okay.
Yes.
Modern science has discovered that in estuaries where fresh, sweet, and salt water meet, the situation is somewhat different from that found in places where two seas meet. It has been discovered that what distinguishes fresh water from salt water in estuaries is a technocline zone with a marked density. This continuity separating the two layers. This partition zone of separation has salinity different from both the fresh water and the salt water. This phenomenon occurs in several places, including Egypt, where the river now flows into the Mediterranean Sea.
Okay, thank you. Yes, thank you, Selfie, for the readings. Yes, that was good. Okay, so Yeah, I will little bit explain and I will ask to Mr. Fadli about this. Yeah, this is modern science, yeah, has discovered that in estuarius is muara, yeah, is the muara of the river like that. Yeah, modern science has discovered that in estuaries, yeah, where fresh, that sweet, yeah, and saltwater meet, the situation is somewhat different. And the meaning is little bit different. Yeah, somewhat the meaning is little bit different from that found in places where the two seas meet. Yeah. Okay, so Mr. Fadli, can you explain about this? Yeah, this part, Mr. Fadli, until this point.
Oh, okay, sure, sir.
Yes, please.
Um, yeah, so based on scientific explanation that this phenomenon is normal occur, it happen cause the chemical properties or physical properties significant difference between two seawater. So yeah, the phenomenon or sea can mix is normal.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Mr. Fadli. Yes. Yeah, this is the modern science. Yeah. Yeah, modern science has discovered that in estuaries, yeah, where fresh, sweet, and saltwater meet, the situation is somewhat different. Yeah, so you can get more information after this. Yeah, a little bit different the situation. Yeah. From that found in places where the two seas meet. Okay, it has been discovered that what distinguishes, yeah, distinguishes is that's make different like that. In Indonesian is pembeda. Yeah, what distinguishes is pembeda fresh water from salt water in estuaries is a pycnoplin zone. Yeah, so this is the distinguishes. Yeah, fresh water from salt water in estuaries is pycnoplin zone with a marked density discontinuity, ya yang ditandai ya, mark ditandai density ya kepadatan discontinuity. Continue is terus menerus, but discontinuity the meaning is putus-putus ya, kepadatan yang putus-putus ya, terpisah-pisah ya, separating yang memisahkan the two layers ya, dua layers ya. What is the meaning of layers, Mr. Fadli? Layers,
Lapisan-lapisan.
lapisan, yes, lapisan-lapisan. Okay, this partition zone, yeah, of separation, yeah, this is this partition, yeah, partisi or zone of separation has salinity different from both the fresh water and the salt water. Ya, salinity is kadar garam. This phenomenon occur in several places, including Egypt, ya, Mesir, ya, Egypt, where the where the river Niles, ya, not river but rivers. Sometimes someone read river. This is river. Okay, including Egypt, where the river Nile flows into the Mediterranean Sea.
See.
Okay, okay, I think. Okay, so I will ask to Mr. Ikhwan. Actually, Mr. Ikhwan, do you understand about this
Yeah.
purpose of this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan?
Yes.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes. The paragraph explain the different phenomenon if the estuaries or freshwater meet salt water in the estuaries. There is a barrier. It's called picnolic zone.
Yes, Picnoplin
Uh,
zone.
yeah,
Yeah.
it can we look as a marked density discontinuity, separating up to the layers.
Yes.
Yes, it's different between Yeah, it's a partition, zone separation has salinity different.
Yes.
Yeah, yes. It's for example in River Nile, yeah, when
Yeah.
the flows into the Mediterranean Sea.
Yes, excellent. Thank you, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, that's the conclusion. Yeah, that's the point. Okay, so yeah, this is where the river Niles flows into Mediterranean Sea. Yeah. So after this, you can see on YouTube, or you can get more information about this. Yeah, that river Niles. Yeah, river Nile is the fresh water, and it flows to the Mediterranean Sea. Yeah, Mediterranean Sea has the salt water. Yeah, and this is sometime when someone goes to Egypt, then see about this, about these phenomenons. Yeah, they can actually make their iman stronger like that. They can keep their belief to Allah that this is real like that. Yeah, because the river of Niles, this is fresh water, and the Mediterranean Sea is the salt water. Yeah, but how can it happens like that between fresh and salt cannot mix like that? Yeah, and that's those water cannot mix. Okay, and yeah, this is the point. I think Mr. Fadli understood. Then Ayu Ardila, and we can compare these verses. Yeah, actually, this is in Surah Ar-Rahman.
Mister,
Yeah.
I want to ask something.
Okay.
I'm just very curious about why the mean for Quran Allah mean why use he for Allah?
Yes, yeah,
He
because
is
this is
for
the
make
different translation, Mr. Fadli. Yeah, sometime with the translator, the translator, and that's describe that's Allah. Actually, when in the Al Quran, saying he in the Al Quran, that includes everything like that. He just like pronouns, kata ganti. Yeah, so actually some of actually the ulama, some of the ulama of the Qurans, sometimes they get difficult how to make pronouns of Allah like that in English, especially menggunakan kata ganti. Cannot say it and cannot say just say he like that. Yeah. This is the Al Quran. Yeah. Just the descriptions actually.
okay, Mister.
So I wish you understand, Mr. Fadli. Yeah, because
Okay,
this
I
is
will
just
read
common.
more information about it.
Yeah, okay. So this is the points. This is the point. So I think you all understand. And also Selfie. But this is we must understand. That the verse of the Al Quran always always supports. Always support. Nothing opposite like that. This is always support. And this is the miracles of the Quran. Okay, so I think this learning is enough, Mr. Ikhwan and Mr.
Because
Fadli, and also Selfie. Okay, so see you again for next meeting. Selfie, thank you
Yeah.
for joining the class this evening.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank
thank you,
you.
thank you
Yes,
very much.
you're welcome,
Thank
Mr.
you, Mister Bukhari.
Yes, you're welcome. Yes, good night.
Good night,